What's up, beautiful people? Welcome back to another video. Today's video I'll be doing my take on a roast chicken with some smashed potato on the side. Before we go any further, if you're not yet subscribed to this channel, go ahead and click the subscribe button and become a part of the Greedy Gang. I share videos every Wednesday and Saturday. Without any further ado, let's get into the video. So to start, I'm going to add 3 heaping tablespoons of butter, a quarter of an onion, a quarter cup of parsley, 12 cloves of garlic, 1 tablespoon of pimento berries, and about 2 teaspoons of dried rosemary. And then I'm going to blend all this together to make my pimento butter to coat my chicken. So in my bowl, I have here some salt and pepper, paprika, and some dried thyme. And I'm just gonna rub this dry rub all over the chicken. I'm gonna make sure that I get some into the cavity of the chicken. When you're roasting a whole bird, you want to ensure that every area gets seasoned. So now I'm going to stuff the chicken with some thyme, and I'm going to use the remainder of onion to stuff the chicken as well. And then I'm going to coat the chicken fully with the pimento butter I made earlier. So all I'm doing here is just tying the chicken legs with some kitchen string, and I'm going to tuck the wingtips under the chicken so that they don't burn. And then I'm going to place the chicken in a 400 degrees Fahrenheit preheated oven for 90 minutes. When the chicken legs wiggle loosely, or with a thermometer it reads 165 degrees Fahrenheit, in the thickest part of the chicken thigh, then you know your chicken is done. So with the chicken in the oven, I'm going to start on my smashed potatoes. So I'm just adding some cold water and a little bit of salt, and I'm just going to allow that to boil for about 15 to 25 minutes. So I melted 2 tablespoons of butter, and I'm going to add some black pepper, some salt, and I'm going to add some freshly minced garlic. Also, I'm going to add some parsley. And I'm going to just mix that together, and I'm going to use this to brush on my smashed potatoes. To mash the potatoes, it's very simple. You can use a whiskey glass like I am, or a potato masher, as long as when they're done it resembles something like this. So now I'm just going to brush on the butter mixture onto the potatoes, and then I'm going to bake them in the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit just for about 20 to 35 minutes. My chicken is all done. I added some chicken stock halfway through the roasting process, and I use that liquid to constantly baste the chicken until it's done. And then in the end, I just broil it for about 5 minutes, and you can see from the dark bits that you're seeing on top of the chicken. So here you have it, guys, my take on roast chicken and smashed potatoes. It's bold in flavor and buttery. Well guys, I just want to say thank you for stopping by, and a big thank you to all my new subscribers. As usual, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and share my videos with your friends and family so they too can see what Greedy Girl Ann is cooking up over here. See you in the next video. Bye!